Have you ever wanted a beautiful, spacious bathroom where you could just unwind and relax? These homeowners wanted just that for their outdated bathroom suite, and it was our pleasure to help them fulfill that wish. The designer for this project was Dan Schmidt. His plan included 3 new focal points in the bathroom, which included a relaxing soaking area, a Kohler smart showering system, and a spacious vanity area. The Smart Shower Center allows the homeowners to control their shower either by voice command, wall controller, or by a smartphone. It's a perfect way to get the shower nice and hot before you step in. The freestanding tub with a stacked stone accent wall gives the bath a spa look and feel. Custom cabinets for the sink area were added to maximize storage, and a new lighting plan was designed to create a mood of tranquility and peacefulness. We were so happy to help these homeowners by creating a modern bathroom with state-of-the-art appliances, and we hope that you can be our next homeowner that we assist.